guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nana Tavi, and if it's your first time stopping by to this channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I installed my wig using L'Oreal Extreme Hold gel glue. I don't have money to buy the got-to-be glue, so I wanted something affordable, and I did manage to find the glue at Clicks. It's very affordable, guys. Please check it out. So my hair is 360 less frontal wig. It's 26-inch. I got this hair last year at Skydiva. It's been with me for quite a long time. It's not new. So I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Extreme Hold gel glue. Sorry guys, I turned it upside down. I don't know why. But the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna be using olive oil mousse on my hair, guys. Olive oil mousse is the shit. Oh my goodness, I've seen this so many people using mousse on YouTube, so I was like, let me try this out, and I'm in love. So now I'm going to take my L'Oreal gel glue and apply it to the perimeter of my hair. I'm just gonna apply 2 layers, and I'm going to dry it using my portable hair dryer that I bought from Clicks. This is the only hair dryer that I have. Okay, so please don't judge me. It's too small, I know, but it does the job. So I'm gonna be blowing on low heat. I'm not using high heat. I just want my glue to be tacky, and then I'm going to apply another layer and do the same thing again. So the next thing I'm going to do is to place the wig onto the hair gel, and then when I'm done, I'm going to use my retail comb to press down the lace into my skin. I'm gonna be using my hands as well, just to make sure everything is in place. So if you want to try this out, please do it first and do your makeup after, because things can get messy. I have glue all over my face. I don't know, maybe I'm the messy one, but I prefer starting with my hair and then my makeup. So now I'm just pressing down the lace into my skin, just making sure that it's in place. So now I'm going to use this head wrap and just wrap my hair just to make sure everything is glued down. I'm just gonna leave this for 5 minutes and then I'm going to remove it and we are going to style the hair, honey. So now I'm removing this head wrap. It's been 5 minutes and then wow guys, I am so impressed. This glue does the things, guys. Yo, if you don't have money for God to be glued, please try L'Oreal Extreme Hold Gel Glue. This shit is amazing. My wig is in place, it's not going anywhere. So now I'm gonna try and style my hair. I'm just opening a line on the side and then I'm just gonna try and comb my hair so that it can be straight. Wow, I'm so impressed, guys. This gel glue is amazing. It's amazing. I love it. So now I'm going to take my olive oil hair mousse. I bought this mousse at Discam. I'm not too sure about the price right now, but I'm gonna list it in a description box down below. I'm just gonna apply it generously into my hair. If you want your hair to be amazing, you need mousse in your life, sis. Okay.
Perfect.
So I've been applying mousse all over my hair and you can see now my hair has transformed. It's looking so nice. It's so melted. It's looking so nice. Please go get yourself mousse and your L'Oreal gel glue. If you try it, please let me know how it is. So now I'm just gonna be doing my baby hairs using the olive oil mousse. Wow, I'm so messy, guys. This is why I prefer applying starting with my hair first and doing my makeup, because imagine if I have makeup on right now, the mousse is all over my face. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna be using a small brush to do my baby hairs.
Perfect.
guys, this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back with the final product. I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.